And Spearfish is changing the way they use the land. Their big focus is soil health.
A lot of people will say it should crumble apart like chocolate cake, but this is kind of more exciting than chocolate cake. So
we came to farming with a background and interest in land health and kind of stewarding healthy soils, healthy land.
They also look at carbon usage, balancing how much carbon they use with how much they store in the soil.
We are storing more carbon in the soil than we're emitting. So when people come to the farm stand to pick up a bunch of carrots, those carrots are carbon and climate positive, which is really exciting and something like we are super proud of it. That is part of the soil management practices. That's the no-till and growing perennials and keeping green things growing in the soil as long as possible, and roots and livestock and compost.
And when it comes to mowing the grass, they have some unique lawnmowers.
We have lambs in a kind of fenced area, so they can't get our fruit trees, but we can move them, weave them between the trees, and they mow down the grass to a very chicken-friendly height. And then following them, we move a chicken tractor, and the chickens sort through and leave what the lambs have left. And it's worked beautifully. Like the animals are kind of happy and healthy, and we've seen a diversity in grasses kind of come back in the orchard.
The practices used at Cycle Farm can easily work in your garden.
one of the first things might be just adding mulch into your garden. So mulching around your plants. We set up permanent beds and permanent walkways so that we always are in the same place, and we'll mulch the walkways too to keep weeds from going from the walkway out into the beds. Another thing to do is just kind of park your tiller away for a little bit. I think the benefits of not tilling are that increased soil structure and just infiltration.
Everything they do is all for the mission of stewarding the land.
And we only have 3 acres, so kind of imagining how, you know, if people doing this in their home garden, it makes a difference, and people doing this on a bigger scale, yeah.
Reporting in Spearfish, I'm Brenna Ramsden, Dakota Territory News.